Hi, I am Manish. Today I am going to show you how to solve this double cube cube. Double cube is a very interesting cube. It has centers unlike cube. So if you look at cube, the only difference is the center. Otherwise, it is the same one. But centers definitely gives some challenge. So I'll just show you the pieces. These are corner pieces. These are center pieces, and this is again center piece of the cube. So that's why it is double cube. So now the first step is to identify a special corner uh, in double cube. If you move the any corner, the center piece will also move along with that. So you can see this green piece or this red piece is also moving with the center. So there is one corner which doesn't move along with the center. So we need to identify that center. So if you look at this center, this moves with the existing center. So this is not that corner, special corner. Now we'll see this corner. So this also moves along with the centers. So this is not the special corner. Now we'll see this. So this also moves with the center. So this is also not the special corner. Now we'll see this corner. So this also moves with the center. So this is all four corners are not the special corners. Now we'll move this cube upside down and we'll start with this. So this corner is also moving along with the center. So this is not the special corner. Now we'll look at this corner. So this is also not a special corner because it moves along with the center. Now we'll come with this corner. This is also moving along with the center. So this is also not a special corner. So this will be the special corner. Now if you look at the centers, it doesn't move along with the center. So now we can see it doesn't move. So you can see it. So this is a special corner which doesn't move along with the center. You can see it. So we need to remember this corner that is blue, red and yellow. This corner is special corner which we need to remember so that it will be easier for us to solve the cube. So this is, and in each and every double cube we need to identify the special corner first, and it is not necessary that it will be blue, red and yellow corner only. In your cube it could be a different corner, and you need to identify that. So in my cube it is red, blue and yellow corner. So I'll remember this because this will help me to solve the cube. So first let us scramble it. So now it is scrambled properly. So the first step is to solve the regular cube. So we'll start with white. So we'll first fix the corners. So it is simple cube solve. So it is, first we need to fix the corners, and then we need to fix the centers, sorry, center faces. So this is done. Now we have to fix the last corner. So this is last corner. So our first step is to fix the corners along with the center. Now the next step is to fix the centers. So we'll first swap these centers and place it into its correct position. I am sure you must be aware about how to solve regular cube. So this is blue, so we'll fix this blue over here because these corners are blue. So this is the right center, so blue center will come here. So it is down, down, up, up. So blue center is fixed. Now this is, and you know that when we swap this to, this side centers will also get swept. So this red will come here and yellow will come here. So whenever we swap this two center will also swap. So now green, so we have to fix this green center over here. So down, down, up, up. So green is also fixed. Now next is orange. So orange, down, down, up, up. So this is done. Now red. So now you can see these are, when we swap this two also swapped. Now this is last step. So when we swap this two, this yellow will come on top, red will come into its place, and green and blue. Now you can see green is in place of blue and blue is in place of green. So this both will swap when we swap this two, and it will be into its correct position. So down, down, up, up. So now we can see all centers are into its correct position, and we have now this situation wherein two corners are rotated and two corners are into its original position. So we need to uh, keep this yellow side in front of you, and this position, I mean the one corner which is solved on left hand side back and one is right hand side front, and this should be facing you and this yellow should be facing right. And now we have to do this algorithm twice. So down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. So now we can see no corners are into its correct position, I mean they all are rotated. So now we have to find two yellow headlights. So here there is no two yellow headlights. Here you will find two yellow headlights. Here there is no yellow headlights. So this is the I mean headlight we need to keep left hand side, and this will be in front and this will be in back side. So this headlight will be in left hand side, and we'll perform this algorithm twice. So down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. So now we can see our cube is solved. Now we have to fix the centers only. Okay, so now next step is to fix the centers. So first I'll show you one algorithm wherein we will use 3 cycle algorithm that will rotate these 3 centers horizontally. So this white center will come on top, this blue center will come here, and this orange center will fix here. So it is 3 cycle algorithm, but for that we can use both the sides. So it is clockwise and anti-clockwise we can use it, and for that first step is to we need to identify, we have identified the special corner which we will have to keep it on back side. So this is our special corner. You can see it because it doesn't move along with the center. So this corner should be on back side. So this corner should be on left or right side. So this we need to ensure that this special corner should be on back. Secondly, uh, whenever we move this cube, we need to ensure that this center should not get disturbed while fixing the inner centers. So for that there is one algorithm I'll show you, that down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back. Now we'll use down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back again, and now we'll do down, down, up and up. So now we can see, I mean, our outer cube is not disturbed. So we need to ensure that our corners and outer center should not get disturbed. So we'll use this algorithm. So what we do is, we'll do first down, down, up, up once here, then we'll go back side and we'll do down, down, up, up 2 times, and then again we'll go into front and we'll do down, down, up, up once. So one time, 2 times and 1 time again. We'll keep our cube intact, so it will not get disturbed. So now we have kept this special corner, that is yellow, blue and red, on back side, and now we have to see which all inner center we can solve. So here it is white, blue and orange. So if we move from this side, so anti-clockwise, so this white will come into blue side and blue will come into red, and red will, sorry, orange, inner center will come into this orange. So we can solve this orange side. It is anti-clockwise. So anti-clockwise we have to move from this side. Whenever it is clockwise from here to here, we have to move from this side, and whenever it is anti-clockwise from right to left, so we have to move from this side. So we have to move it from this side. So it will be down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back, and down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back, and down, down, up and up. So now we can see this inner center rotates, and this orange is now inner circle is, inner center is solved. Okay, so now what next? Okay, so we have to keep this in mind, this is our special corner. So from here also we can see this green center will come here, this yellow inner center will come here, so yellow will be solved, and this white center will come here. So we can solve yellow and white, both the centers, and we have to do anti clockwise movement. So again we'll have to do it from here. So it is down, down, up, up, we'll go back, and down, down, up, up, again down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back again, and down, down, up, up. So now we can see our yellow and white, both the inner centers are solved. So now we can see we have 1, 2, 3 inner centers which are solved, and 1 2 3. So red, blue and green, which are yet to solve. So keeping this special corner on back side, now we have to keep this uh, side which are unsolved. So this 1 2 3 are front, down and back, and these are unsolved are left, top and right, and this is our special corner. So we have kept it on back side only, and now we have to see which movement. So again we'll have to do anti-clockwise. So this is red side, red corner, or a red center. Red center will come here, this blue center will come here, and this green will come here. So again it is anti-clockwise. So it is down, down, up, up, will go back, and down, down, up, up, second time down, down, up, up. Now we'll go back again, down, down, up and up. So now we can see our cube is solved. I'll show you few more cases where we have to do some setup moves, and we can solve it. So this is one case wherein these three inner centers are unsolved and these three inner centers are solved. So you can see it, these three are solved and these three are unsolved. So in this case, because we need to do 3 cycle, so in this case we can't do 3 cycle like this. So what we'll have to do is we'll have to use our setup move. So we'll have to bring this corner, this center red into this side like this. So now because this is our special corner, so we should not disturb it. So from here what we can do is we have to move this center into left side, so that now we can use 3 cycle and we can solve it. So now we can see this red will come in place of green, green will come in place of white, and white will come here. So it will be solved. And this is from this is clockwise movement, so we'll do it from here. So it is down, down, up, up. We'll take this back again, down, down, up, up, second time down, down, up, up. Now bring back, down, down, up, up. So now you can see our this setup is okay. Okay, so this was our setup. So you can see this white is solved, red is solved and green is solved, and now we'll have to bring this back. So our cube is solved. So we can use this kind of setup move to solve the cube, but we need to ensure that the special corner should be on back side only. So if you have any query, you can message me. Thank you very much.